Let's travel back in time to the early 20th century, when Shinsekai, meaning New World, was established. Inspired by Paris and New York, this district aimed to embody the modernity and innovation of the era. The area is divided into two sections: the northern part, which was modeled after Paris, and the southern part, inspired by New York's Coney Island. Our first stop is Tsutenkaku Tower, the symbol of Shinsekai. Originally built in 1912, it was modeled after the Eiffel Tower. The name Tsutenkaku translates to Tower Reaching Heaven, and it truly offers a heavenly view of Osaka from the observation deck. The current structure was rebuilt in 1956 after the original was dismantled during World War II. Don't forget to rub the foot of Biliken, the god of happiness, for some good luck. As you stroll through Shinsekai, you'll notice the nostalgic atmosphere with neon lights and vintage storefronts. The district is famous for its casual eateries known as kushikatsu joints. Kushikatsu are skewered and deep-fried delicacies ranging from meat and seafood to vegetables. Remember, the golden rule is not to double-dip your skewer into the shared sauce pot. A fun fact: Shinsekai was home to one of Japan's first amusement parks, Luna Park, which operated from 1912 to 1923. Although the park is long gone, the playful and vibrant spirit of Shinsekai remains. Another iconic spot is Janjan Yokosho, a bustling alley filled with small restaurants, bars, and shops. This lively street is perfect for an evening stroll, where you can experience the local flavors and the warm hospitality of Osaka. And here is a tip: while exploring Shinsekai, make sure to visit Spa World, a massive hot spring complex that offers themed baths from around the world. It's a great way to relax and unwind after a day of sightseeing. Before you leave Shinsekai, take a moment to soak in the retro vibes and vibrant energy that makes this neighborhood truly unique. Snap a photo with the neon-lit streets and tag us at Pocket Explorer. Au revoir and keep exploring!